So hi, do-it-yourselfers. This is Kevin. I'm here with this office chair I got by the side of the road. It's about 6 years old, 2015, and the gas cylinder was bad. You know, they just wear out after 5 or 6 years. And one thing I will say is when they ship it, I had a class 3 on this, and I was worried about getting class 4, but the class 4 works fine. But when they shipped me the cylinder, it had a little plastic shipping cap on it that prevents it from from expanding. I want to just show you, it was super easy, man. Just like they say, it's a compression fit. You just get yourself a nice hammer and knock the base off, and then knock the top off. You don't have to undo it here. Just put something here and it'll work out, and you can use a pipe wrench to loosen it and then put it back together. When you sit in it, it's good enough compression to compress it, and it's like a brand new chair.